Welcome to Exam Sale. In this video, we'll be discussing the VMware Workspace 121X UEM Troubleshooting Specialist Exam Syllabus. This exam is designed to validate a candidate's skills in troubleshooting and resolving issues in a VMware Workspace 1 environment. The VMware Workspace 121X UEM Troubleshooting Specialist exam is divided into 5 domains, with each domain carrying a specific weightage. The planning and designing domain carries 35% weightage. Installing, configuring, and setup carries 35%. VMware Products and Solutions carries 10%. Troubleshooting and repairing carries 10%. And administrative and operational tasks carries 10%. The planning and designing domain focuses on architecting and designing secure Workspace 1 solutions based on business requirements and best practices. This domain covers topics such as identity and access management design, secure connectivity, and edge design. You'll learn to evaluate identity provider requirements, design just-in-time provisioning workflows, architect multi-factor authentication integration strategies, and plan for certificate-based authentication infrastructure. You'll also learn to design unified access gateway placement in the DMZ, evaluate sizing and scalability for Workspace 1 tunnel, and plan for high availability and disaster recovery of edge components. The installing, configuring, and setup domain focuses on implementation and technical configuration of Workspace 1 security components and integrations. This domain covers topics such as endpoint security implementation and gateway and tunnel configuration. You'll learn to configure OS-specific compliance policies, implement device-level encryption, set up Workspace 1 intelligence risk scoring, and deploy security baselines for Windows and Mac OS. You'll also learn to deploy Unified Access Gateway using PowerShell or OVA, configure TLS settings and cipher suites, and set up Workspace 1 tunnel for secure application access. The VMware Products and Solutions domain focuses on understanding the components and core security capabilities of the Workspace 1 portfolio. This domain covers topics such as the Workspace 1 security portfolio. You'll learn to explain the Zero Trust security framework in Workspace 1. Describe Workspace 1 access identity features, identify Carbon Black Cloud integration capabilities, and outline Workspace 1 intelligence data aggregation. The troubleshooting and repairing domain focuses on identifying and resolving issues within the secure Workspace 1 environment. This domain covers topics such as authentication and connectivity diagnostics. You'll learn to analyze SAML assertion and OIDC token errors, troubleshoot Unified Access Gateway log files, diagnose Workspace 1 tunnel client connection failures, and resolve directory sync and identity provider errors. The administrative and operational tasks domain focuses on ongoing maintenance, reporting, and management of the security posture. This domain covers topics such as operational compliance and governance. You'll learn to manage role-based access control in the console, review and export compliance and audit reports, monitor security dashboards in Workspace 1 Intelligence, and maintain certificate authority and template configurations. In conclusion, the VMware Workspace 121X UEM Troubleshooting Specialist exam is designed to test a candidate's skills in planning, designing, implementing, and troubleshooting a VMware Workspace 1 environment. By covering these 5 domains, you will be well prepared to tackle the challenges of this exam and become a VMware Workspace 121X UEM Troubleshooting Specialist.